Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 1996 Honda Goldwing with 80,632 miles has been upgraded with a TRIKE kit, windshield and wind deflectors, grips, rider footrest, driver backrest, luggage rack, and pinstriping. It comes equipped with cruise control, a multifunction 2-speaker audio system, CB radio, intercom, and reverse. The benchmark of the metric tours, the Goldwing provides uncompromising power, long-distance comfort, and agile handling. Powered by a 1520cc 6-cylinder engine, the Goldwing puts 100 horsepower and 111 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. In stock form, it weighs in at 793 pounds and has a 30.1-inch seat height. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this Goldwing will need a new taillight lens, brake light, side stand switch, front rotors, and running lights. Please expand and read the mechanical condition report for a full list of concerns. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.